Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to close apps on iPhone. So let's begin right away. So there are actually two steps in closing apps on iPhone. So the first one, if you don't have the home button, you just simply swipe up. So what I mean that if you don't have a home button, so your phone is usually on iPhone 10 or above, and then those phone that has home button are those iPhone 8 and below. So if you have iPhone 10 and up, you just simply swipe up slowly on your screen. So again, swipe up slowly until you can feel a small vibration. So just simply swipe up until you can feel a small vibration, and then you should be able to see these opened apps. So to close them, simply swipe up on each of the videos, and then that's it. So if you have the home button, you just simply press twice. So quickly press on your home button twice quickly, and then you should be able to see these same options or opened apps as well. And then simply swipe up like this one, and then you have closed it. So, if you are using the assistive touch, you may also close apps by clicking on your assistive touch and then press twice on home. So, just like the iPhone vid home button, press quickly twice. And then you may also be able to see this one. So I think there is also an option wherein you can see your app switcher right here. So let's just do it. Click on your assistive touch, click on your device, click on more, and click on app switcher right here. So again, swipe up to close them, and then that's it. That's how you can close apps on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.